presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ford Fusion SE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a transmission. This Ford has less than 138,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.